Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make Maryland crab cakes because seafood is my favorite thing to eat and this is my favorite. So I'm just going to show you guys how quick and easy you can make this at home all by yourself. Amazing. So all you're going to need is crab, of course. So normally I go to Sam's Club and I get this crab. It's the Baltimore Crab Company. I got 2 of those. Then I'm going to use Old Bay, Dijon mustard, mayo. You can use heavy mayo, you can use Miracle Whip. I'm also going to be using some Worcestershire sauce and an egg. Then I'm going to put them in the bowl. So first I go in with 1/4 cup of the mayo actually. What am I talking about? We're going in with 1/4 cup of mayo. And I normally just take a spoon and I put it in the measuring thing just to make sure that, I don't know, this just makes sure I'm putting the right amount. And I'm just going to put that in the bowl. So you're going to put that in the bowl just like this. Guys, you need to try this. So I put it in the bowl just like that. You guys can see it's a lot of crab, but I'm feeding a lot of people. So I'm just talking about myself. But anyways, I'm going in with the Dijon mustard. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. The texture is so cringy. Like, the texture of this is so cringy, but it tastes really good in this. So I put 1 tablespoon of that. I put 1 tablespoon of this. You can find this stuff at your local grocery store. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right here is putting in 1 tablespoon of that and 1 egg. So you're going to put that egg, and then I'm going to just show you what it's looking like. It's not looking like anything, to be honest, but yeah. Then I'm going to go in with also 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, but I already knew 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. No, I just started pouring it in there. I just eyeballed it, but do not put too much because you don't want the crab to be too salty. So yeah, I'm just wiping off the spoon, and then I'm going to go in with my hands because who be storing up the crab mixture? Who really be storing the crab mixture? Use your hands to mix up the crab mixture. Also, just a disclaimer, my middle fingernail looks nasty AF because I was dyeing my mom's hair and the glove ripped and dyed my fingernail. So that's why it's black. But anyways, my hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean. And if you don't like the texture, use some gloves. It'll make this process feel way more cleaner, to be honest. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just going to mix it up real good. And do not break it up too much. Try to fold it into each other. And that's a quick tip. Right here, I'm going in with some saltine crackers. I would recommend you to put 9 of these crackers inside of a Ziploc bag. I was doing 4. I don't know what was going on with me. Hey, y'all. I put them into this Ziploc bag, and then you can use any hard bottle that you have. I was just using the Worcestershire sauce bottle, and I rolled it, and that would just break it up. We're using saltine crackers because this is what's going to hold your crab cakes together. Since we put all those other ingredients, it's not really holding it together. It's going to crack apart. The egg and the crumbs, you can use breadcrumbs or saltine crackers. This is going to hold that crab cake together. So that's all I'm doing right here. I do recommend probably using a little bit less Old Bay because the saltine crackers already has salt in it. So this was making it a little bit more salty, but it was still fine. So right here, I did go back in and I added a little bit more because as you've seen, I only added 4. And then it's going to look like this, and we're going to fold it into itself. You don't want to really squeeze it or nothing like that because then all you're going to be doing is mashing up the crab, and it's not going to be, you guys, just fold it in together. Because if you mash the crab up, it's not going to be how it's supposed to be. I mean, it's still going to taste good. It's just not going to give you that texture. So right here, I'm going in with some dried parsleys. I do recommend getting fresh ones because the dry ones don't really have no type of taste or anything. Not that the fresh one do, but it does give it a different type of taste. So I recommend getting fresh parsley, and that's literally all you have to do. And then you could just go ahead and form the ball however big or small you want it to be. This one is more of a medium sized crab cake. I did make most of the medium size to a small medium. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm literally just forming it into a ball and putting it on this foil paper. So you guys could just watch me do that. And then I'm going to come back really, really quick when I'm almost finished. Alright, you guys, so I'm finished making all of them into the little balls, and this is how they look. I have 10 of them. Do I have 10 of them? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have 12 of them. So 2 tubs of those things made 12. And that's crazy because the crab only costs $21. So I feel like that's pretty affordable, because if you go out to eat, you're probably going to be spending $25 to $30 on a plate with only 2 crab cakes in it. So yeah, right here I did go ahead and put some butter on top of the crab cakes when I put them in the oven, and I also put some of these thick cut fries, and I just layered that on top of it. And this is just gonna help your crab cake to be nice and golden. And yeah, so that's all I did. And I also put my oven on 385 degrees. I left it in there for 30 minutes. If you do want to have it on a higher degree, you could put it in there for 400 degrees and leave it in there for like 15 to 20 minutes, but keep checking on it. And your crab cake should look like this. Tell me if you guys try this recipe and tell me if you liked it, because I love this crab cake recipe so much. I'm obsessed with crab cakes. If anybody knows me, you know I love crab, I love shrimp, all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can know how you guys feel about this video, and I can know if I should make more cooking videos. Let me know down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.